Welcome to another edition of Net at Work's Vertical Market Solutions series. If you're a food and beverage manufacturer, you know that regulatory compliance isn't optional, it's critical. From FSMA and HACCP to FDA and USDA guidelines, staying compliant is essential to avoiding costly recalls, legal penalties, and reputational damage. In this video, we'll show you how Sage X3 helps manufacturers achieve full traceability, simplify compliance, and stay ahead of evolving regulations. Before we show you Sage X3 in action, let's take a quick look at some of the biggest compliance challenges in food and beverage manufacturing. First up, traceability and recalls. Manufacturers need to track ingredients from suppliers all the way to customers. If contamination happens, they need to act fast to pinpoint affected products and issue recalls before the problem escalates. Then there's allergen management. One mislabeling mistake, like leaving out an allergen warning, can have serious consequences, from product recalls to legal action, and even damage to your brand's reputation. Next, audit readiness. Regulatory bodies expect instant access to accurate records. If your data isn't organized and easily accessible, inspections can quickly become a major headache. And finally, supply chain complexity. Working with multiple suppliers is common, but it also increases the risk of contamination and compliance failures. Without the right system in place, keeping track of everything can feel overwhelming at times. Facing such strict regulations and ever-evolving requirements, a manufacturer needs a solution that helps them stay proactive. And that's exactly where Sage X3 comes in. Now, let's explore how the software helps companies manage product recalls with lot traceability using a real-world scenario. Back in September and October of 2024, McDonald's faced a major E. coli outbreak linked to slivered onions in its quarter-pounder burgers. The outbreak led to 104 illnesses reported and, tragically, one fatality across 14 states before the FDA traced the source of contamination to a processing center in Colorado owned by Taylor Farms. Okay, now picture this. You're a quality control manager at Taylor Farms. You've just been alerted by the FDA that there's a contamination issue, and you need to initiate a recall immediately using Sage X3. Here's how it works. First, enter the raw material code and lot number for the affected onions, then hit search. In seconds, Sage X3 pulls up a list of all finished products that use those onions. Next, the system pinpoints exactly which customers received the impacted products, along with their contact details and delivery records. And just like that, within minutes, you're ready to take action, contacting customers, issuing recall notices, and beginning the crisis contaminant process. This is forward traceability in action, and Sage X3 also enables backward traceability, allowing you to start with a finished product and trace back to every ingredient and supplier involved. This ensures you're always audit ready and prepared to act fast. Let's look now at how Sage X3 helps with allergen control, another critical compliance requirement in food and beverage manufacturing. In this example, we're going to track egg powder, an ingredient used across multiple recipes in our facility. Using the product function, it's going to assign egg as the allergen code for this ingredient. Before we move to the next step, it's important to note that the system allows multiple allergen codes per ingredient when necessary. Okay, having designated the allergen code for egg powder, the master recipe function, which is essentially our bill of materials, automatically updates to display all recipes containing egg powder. Now, every batch produced that includes egg powder will generate precise allergen labels, minimizing the risk of manual errors and helping to ensure compliance. This built-in tracking streamlines compliance while enhancing consumer safety. Moving on, let's review Sage X3's expiration and shelf life management capabilities that can be tracked on a product-to-product basis. Here we've set up egg powder to expire 180 days after receipt. Once expired, Sage X3 automatically marks it as R status, preventing its use in production until it's been reevaluated by a team member. The system also allows for the scheduling of recontrol checks before expiration and defining a use-by date for peak product quality. Lastly, in order to provide optimal inventory oversight, Sage X3's detailed stock inquiry screen gives real-time visibility into expiration, recontrol, and use-by dates. This ensures that only safe, high-quality products reach consumers. Next, let's see how Sage X3 simplifies COA, or Certificates of Analysis, report generation and distribution. Once a COA report has been configured to your desired format, it can be generated at the click of a button. You can also configure and automate workflows to occur post-generation. Like in this example, we've told the system to automatically email this report in PDF format to Mr. Customer every time a delivery is made. For companies operating across multiple locations, Sage X3 offers multi-site and multi-company support, multi-language capabilities, and multi-currency management. To help visualize this, here you can see an organizational chart featuring an enterprise that's consolidated in US dollars and has 3 companies grouped together. 2 are operating under USA legislation, 1 is under French legislation, and all of them have their own structure in terms of manufacturing sites, warehouses, and facilities. The NA20 American organization, for example, comprises 3 facilities, while the French company has a single French-speaking site that's able to operate and manage its transactions in euros. But whenever reports are consolidated at the enterprise level, Sage X3 automatically converts euros to dollars for consistency in representation. Organizational structures are also configurable at the user level to meet your company's unique needs. This concludes our demo on regulatory compliance, Part 4 of Net@Work's Food and Beverage series. If you have any questions, would like to watch the other videos in this series, or are ready to see Sage X3 in action for your business, contact us today to schedule a personalized demo. We're always here to help.